Module 2, Lesson 10's objective is to apply conceptual understanding of measurement by solving two-step word problems. On this work page, the directions are to draw a tape diagram for each step. The author has already shown us 2 steps for how to complete the problem. Number 1 says there is 29 centimeters of green ribbon. A blue ribbon is 9 centimeters shorter than the green ribbon. How long is the green ribbon? I should underline the important details. 29 centimeters of green ribbon, and the blue ribbon is 9 centimeters shorter than the green. I'm going to go ahead and circle shorter to remind myself that the blue ribbon is shorter, and I circle the question so I remember to answer the question. How long is the green ribbon? As I look at this, I think there must be a typo. You see, the author already told us that the green ribbon is 29 centimeters. So the author must mean how long is the blue ribbon. So I'm going to change that now. Okay, to find the length of the blue ribbon, first we draw a tape diagram. The author has done that by showing a G and a rectangle with the number 29 and the abbreviation centimeters inside of it, because the story tells us that the green ribbon is 29 centimeters. The author drew a rectangle with a B next to it that is shorter than the G because the story tells us that the blue ribbon is 9 centimeters shorter. And that's where the author has illustrated the 9 centimeters in difference. So in order to figure out the length of the blue ribbon, we take the 29 for the green ribbon. We subtract the 9 centimeters that the author tells us the blue is shorter. Then we look and see that right away I see a basic fact. 9 minus 9 is 0. The 2 in the number 29 stands for 20 because it's in the tens column. So 20 plus 0 is 20. The blue ribbon is 20 centimeters long, and so I'll label my tape diagram. Now the question should have been typed to say, how long is the blue ribbon? Because it's a word problem, I should answer it in words. The blue ribbon is 20 centimeters long. If there is no room on your paper, you can use the back of the paper or even a piece of scratch paper in order to answer the question. Be sure to label, though, number 1 when you're writing a sentence so that your teacher knows what that sentence is answering. Step 2 says to find the length of both the blue and the green ribbons. So I'm going to go ahead and circle underline both the blue and green. To remind myself that that's important, we want to know how much they are together. So I'll take the 29 for the green and the 20 for the blue, and I'll add them together. I'll go ahead and decompose 29. I know that that's 20 plus 9. And I'll leave the addition sign in the 20. I circle the tens because that makes it easier for me. 20 and 20 is 40. And I leave the plus 9. 40 plus 9 is 49. So the length of both the green and blue ribbons is 49 centimeters. I'll write that in words. The length of both the blue and green ribbons is 49 centimeters. Okay, now you use the same technique to solve problem 2. Don't forget to label the rectangles in your tape diagram when showing how long Joanna and Lisa's lines are. And also, don't forget to answer all of the questions in words as well. When we see story problems, we read them, we draw out the answer, and then we write them. Read, draw, write. That's the strategy.